morning children. Today we will do our new work, that is a texture work. When we will complete our work, how it will looks, I will show you now. It will looks like this. To do this work, what are the materials we need, I will tell you. You have to see that and arrange the material and start to do your work children. Okay. For today's work, we need a drawing book, sketch pen, crayons, scale, pencil, eraser. Okay children, now first all of you open new page in a book and start to draw a border and 3 centimeter box. After 3 centimeter box, you should write today's date here and write down the topic here, texture work. Texture work. All of you know how to do the texture work. In the last year we learned one type of texture. This year I will teach you the next type of the texture work. First now I will do the drawing in a light line with a light line. After that I will do the black outline. That time you have to see the drawing and you have to start to do the drawing in your paper children. First just observe the drawing. See children, I did here with the very light line. Now I will do the black outline. Just observe that. Okay. First I will do black outline for the border. Don't do the drawing children, just observe it. Afterwards you can start to do the drawing. drawing over. Now this is our drawing. Now we will do the water wave line. Now after the drawing over, I will start to rub the pencil lines. Now what you have to do, you have to start to do the drawing in your book, children. Okay, when we rub all the pencil lines, our work will looks like this, children. Okay, I think your work also like this only. Now we take a orange color, light green color, the red color sketch pens, then yellow color also we will take. Okay, children, here already whatever the texture work we learned in the last year, that texture work we will do for the fish, and the extra whatever today I will teach you, that one we are doing at the background and for the grass, children. First you have to do the color for the lips in a slanting way. After that, we have already finished the eyes. Now we do the orange color and yellow color for the body. See here, body part will start here. You know this texture work? Yes, no, children? This one full for the body you have to do with orange. Here, here, here. Wherever I put it the dot, there you have to do like this the texture work. Okay, children, continue the same thing. After your orange over, we have to do here, see children, this portion yellow, here also yellow, and this also we should do with the yellow color, the same texture work. Continue the work. After this over, take out a dark blue color and start to do the texture work like this. All the water bubbles you have to do with the same texture work, children. Take a light green and a dark green sketch pen, and for the grass you have to do the same water, the texture work we used for the water bubbles, no, the same thing you should use for the grass also, children. You know how to do the dark green and the light green. Okay, according to that you have to do one with the light green and one with the dark green. light green over, we will take a dark green color, and wherever the empty place will be there, no grasses, that one you have to do with the dark blue, children. Sorry children, it's not a dark blue, dark green you should use. Okay. When we finish the grass, it will look like this, children. On the light green color, here after this line, upon that, whatever light green will be there now, upon that you have to do with the yellow color the same texture work with the yellow color sketch pen, children. Okay, like this. Then on the dark green, you have to do with the dark blue. After this over, we will take a light blue and a dark blue sketch pen, and here one water wave line, this full we are doing with the light blue, means the next one we are doing with the dark blue. How we should do, I will show here. See, like this texture work, only the sleeping line. Here we did the standing line also, but here we are doing only the sleeping line. Like this you have to do the water wave. When we will complete our work, it will look like this, children. If you want, you can do for the fish 2 overlap line. All of you know how to do the 2 overlap line. You can do 2 overlap line for the fish. Only for the fish, outer line, only outline you have to do with the 2 overlap line, children. When we will highlight, when we will do the 2 overlap line, the fish, it will look like this, children. Okay, this is our texture work. You have to do same like this in your book. Okay children, thank you.